Forest River has been creating fantastic travel trailers for nearly 25 years, and today I want to go over the Forest River Ozark. You can buy an Ozark with the conventional aka corrugated exterior or with the fiberglass aka smooth exterior. Now that being said, the interiors of both are the same. Let's take a look at some of the features you're going to find in the interiors right now. Every Ozark in the line is made with your camp comfort in mind. Inside, you're going to be able to camp in complete comfort with a 13,500 BTU AC as well as a 20,000 BTU furnace. Enjoy some true family time in a dinette capable of sitting your whole camp family, appropriately called the family-sized dinette. The Ozark kitchen is chock full of camp efficiency. You'll discover upgraded appliances that make you feel more at home, pressed seamless countertops, solid wood drawer slides with ball bearing guides, a microwave, and a deep single basin kitchen sink with a high-rise faucet. Comfort's going to continue for sleeping as well. The Ozark's queen bed comes with an upgraded hypoallergenic mattress, and to get your Ozark good and dark, it comes with pleated black privacy nightshades. But once you awake, you're going to love to utilize the Ozark's class-leading window package and let the sunshine in. Wasn't that a song? All right. While you love the pure entertainment of your country's scenery, you'll probably need the occasional outside entertainment as well. Now, every Ozark keeps you and your family entertained with an AM/FM Bluetooth stereo, TV prep with backers and hookups, along with a TV antenna with a booster and USB charging outlets. Plus, the stereo is portable for indoor and outdoor entertainment. And the Ozark is also cable and satellite TV ready. Regardless of whether you opt for the traditional conventional look or the Ozark Ascent smooth fiberglass exterior, an Ozark exterior is also comfy camp ready. Here you'll find a full-length power awning with LED light strip and adjustable legs to keep rain from ponding. An outside hot and cold shower to hose off the dog, the kids, or you, plus the convenience of a retractable power cord so you don't have to try and roll up and store the cord. And once you use it, trust me, you'll understand why a black tank flush can be a huge camping convenience. You'll also find an Ozark exterior comes with attributes such as spare tire with carrier, backup camera prep, solar prep, an exterior outlet, and nitrogen-filled radial tires. Both conventional and fiberglass versions also come with a 4-inch sloped one-piece roof to prevent water from ponding or sneaking into your Ozark. As for storage, you'll find pass-through storage with large 32 by 16 baggage doors and baggage door catches. An Ozark travel trailer is meant for those who truly enjoy being outdoors. As such, their line of floor plans include family-friendly bunkhouses, rear living models, as well as toy haulers. Let's take a look at those bunkhouses first, then we'll hit the rear living models. The Ozark 1650 BHK has the ability to sleep 7 with its double-over-double bunks in the back and camper queen bed in the corner. The 1680 BSK has double-over-double bunks, a Murphy bed up front, and a unique convertible chaise lounge, so it can sleep up to 8. The 3-sleeping 1660 FQ has a rear bath running across the entire back wall and a centered queen bed up front, flanked by 2 wardrobe closets and nightstands. The Ozark 1800 QS sleeps 4 and comes with a large slide-out filled with a chaise lounge capable of sleeping 2 guests. The back wall is shared with the bathroom, the fridge, and a full-length pantry as well. The Ozark toy haulers start off with the 1900 TH. It has a solid 10 feet of garage area and its cargo capacity is over 3,000 pounds. With the flip-out sofa in the garage area and unique stow and load bunk system, the 1900 TH can sleep 4. The 2500 TH has a whopping 6 foot by 13 feet of garage space and a cargo capacity of just over 2,700 pounds. A pair of flip-out sofas along with the centered camper queen bed up front allows for 4 campers to snooze. The front bedroom has a solid door for privacy as well. The 2700 TH is the only Ozark toy hauler with a slide out and an enclosed garage. With the U-shaped dinette, the camper queen bed, and 2 flip-out sofas, the 2700 TH can sleep up to 6. The garage is nearly 8 feet by 11.5 feet with a cargo capacity of just over 2,100 pounds and has its own entry door to help keep dirt and grime from entering the main living space. For those of you who want a travel trailer ready for the outdoors and are set for adventure regardless of the floor plan, check out the Forest River Ozark. But for those of you who love to bring your toys along camping but don't want to dole out fifth wheel coin to do it, the Forest River Ozark is certainly worthy of a look.